Hi, welcome to 4MH Enterprises. Today we are loading a granite, jet black cobblestones. 4MH Enterprises is the biggest cobblestone manufacturing company. 4MH Enterprises is taking under the manufacturing 1. Cobblestone, 2. Kerb Stone, 3. Paving Stone, 4. Bench Stone, 5. Stone Ball, 6. Pergola Stone, 7. Stone Pillar, 8. Wall Cladding Stone, 9. Cuaping Stone, 10. Granite Slabs, 11. Fleming Finished Stone, 12. Bush Hammered Stone, 13. Two-Line Dressing Stone, 14. B7 Stones, 15. Sandstone. All kind of granite natural stone, own manufacturing. If you have any requirements, please contact www.4menterprises.co.in or WhatsApp +9 19845374571. One more thing, please don't forget for like and subscribe. Thank you.